How to change city in Overdriver app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your city in Overdriver app in easy way. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that your Overdriver app is up to date. And once that's done, go ahead and open the app and log into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the menu or profile icon, and after that head over to the help section. Now here inside the help section, scroll down and tap on report an issue, and after that you can simply select your account and then go to account settings. Now next, tap on the option that says I want to drive in a new city, and after that you will see a short form. So simply fill out the required details including the name of a new city, your desired start date, and whether the move is permanent or temporary. And after completing the form, just tap on done or submit at the bottom, and after that your request will be sent to Over support team, and if everything checks out, then you will be authorized to drive in your new city. And that's it. That's how you can change city in Overdriver app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.